Hey, English learners! Welcome back to English You Never Learned.
The podcast where we help you speak English for real life, real conversations, and real confidence. I'm Leo.
And I'm Emma. Today's topic is exciting, a little scary, and super useful talking about your dream job in English.
Because this topic shows up everywhere. In school, in interviews, on dates, at parties, even in casual conversations where someone asks, "So, what do you do?" Or, "What do you want to do in the future?"
And if you're learning English, that question can feel like a trap.
Your brain starts searching for the perfect sentence, the perfect vocabulary, the perfect grammar, and then you say, I don't know.
But you do know. You just don't know how to say it in English yet.
Exactly. So today, we'll help you talk about your dream job clearly and naturally, even if your English is not perfect.
We'll give you simple phrases, useful words, and ways to sound confident without sounding like a textbook.
And we'll also show you how to keep the conversation going. Because a dream job is not just one sentence. It's a story. Why you want it, what you like about it, what skills you're building, and what steps you're taking.
Before we start, quick favor. If this episode helps you, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
Especially the friend who says, "I have no dream job," but then talks for 2 hours about what they hate.
Okay, let's begin.
Emma, when you hear dream job, what do you think it means?
I think it means the job that matches your values and your personality. Not just money, not just status. A job where you feel proud, useful, and alive.
I love that. Proud, useful, and alive.
And it doesn't have to be one job forever. Dream jobs can change as you change.
That's a big point. Many learners think they must choose one perfect job and keep it forever.
But life isn't a straight line. It's more like a road trip with wrong turns, new ideas, and unexpected stops.
And sometimes, the dream job is not the title, it's the lifestyle.
Exactly. Like flexible hours, remote work, creative work, helping people, working outdoors, working with a team, working alone.
Great. So, we'll help learners talk about all of that.
Let's start with the easiest question people ask. What's your dream job?
If you answer that question, you can use a few simple starters.
Starter 1. My dream job is to be the A8.
My dream job is to be a nurse. My dream job is to be a game designer.
Starter 2. I'd love to work as
I'd love to work as a data analyst. I'd love to work as a teacher.
Starter 3. Ideally, I want to.
Ideally, I want to run my own business. Ideally, I want to work in marketing.
Starter 4. Right now, I'm interested in.
This one is great if you're not sure yet. Right now, I'm interested in UX design. Right now, I'm interested in healthcare.
And remember, it's okay not to be 100% sure.
If you're unsure, you can say, "I'm still figuring it out, but..."
I'm still figuring it out, but I'm leaning towards something creative.
Leaning toward means you're moving in that direction.
Great phrase. Now, after you say your dream job, the next question is usually, why?
This is where learners often get stuck because they know the reason in their own language, but in English, they only say, "Because I like it."
Because I like it is okay, but we can make it stronger with simple reason phrases.
Here are easy reason starters. I like it because, I'm interested in it because, it appeals to me because.
Appeals to me means you feel attracted to it. You like the idea of it.
Another simple one. I've always wanted to.
Yes. I've always wanted to work with animals. I've always wanted to create something useful.
Let's give learners some common reasons that work for many jobs.
Reason 1. Helping people. I want a job where I can help people.
Reason 2. Creativity. I want to use my creativity every day.
Reason 3. Problem solving. I enjoy solving problems.
Reason 4. Learning. I like learning new things and improving.
Reason 5. Freedom. I want more flexibility and independence.
Reason 6. Teamwork. I like working with a team.
Reason 7. Meaningful work. I want my work to feel meaningful.
That word meaningful is powerful.
Now, let's do a real example. Leo, what's a dream job you used to have?
When I was younger, my dream job was to be a travel photographer.
That fits you. You always notice details.
Thank you. So, if I answer in English, I could say, my dream job used to be travel photography because I love exploring new places and capturing moments.
Beautiful. And then you can add details. I like telling stories through photos.
Exactly. Now, what about you, Emma?
I used to dream of being a writer who interviews people and shares real stories, especially stories that make people feel understood.
That sounds like your personality, too.
So I would say, my dream job is to be a writer because I love listening to people and turning real experiences into stories.
Nice. Simple, clear, human.
Now, many listeners might have a dream job that needs a specific path, like doctor, lawyer, engineer. They might worry because they don't know advanced vocabulary.
But they don't need advanced vocabulary. They need simple language with clear meaning.
Exactly. Let's show how to describe responsibilities, like what you do in that job.
Good point. Because another common question is, what does that job involve?
Involve means include. What things are part of the job?
You can answer with, it involves, or it's basically about.
Example, being a nurse involves taking care of patients, checking their condition, and supporting families.
Or, being a software developer is basically about building apps, fixing bugs, and working with a team.
Or, being a chef involves planning dishes, cooking under pressure, and managing a kitchen.
Great. Now, let's help learners talk about skills. Because dream jobs often connect to skills.
Yes, people ask, what skills do you need for that?
Here are useful phrases. I need to improve my. I'm working on. I'm learning how to.
Example, I'm working on my communication skills. I'm learning how to speak confidently in meetings.
Or, I need to improve my technical skills. I'm practicing every day.
Also, I'm building experience. That's a great phrase.
I'm building experience by doing internships or by freelancing or by volunteering.
Now, let's talk about dreams that feel big and scary. Some learners feel embarrassed to say their dream job because it sounds unrealistic.
Like actor, singer, entrepreneur.
Or game creator, or filmmaker, or YouTuber.
Actually, YouTuber is a real job now.
Yes. And it's okay to dream big, but we can teach learners how to express it in a grounded way.
You can say, my dream job is, but I know it takes time.
Or, I'm taking small steps.
I'm taking small steps is perfect.
Example, my dream job is to be a filmmaker. I know it takes time, so I'm taking small steps learning editing and making short videos.
That sounds mature, not childish.
Another phrase, I'm realistic, but I'm motivated.
Great phrase. Now, let's talk about something else. When people ask about your dream job, sometimes they're really asking about your identity.
Yes, they're asking, what kind of life do you want?
So it's helpful to describe your ideal work life.
Phrases, in the future, I want a job that, I'd like a job where, I'm looking for work that,
Example, I'd like a job where I can work remotely and travel sometimes.
I want a job that gives me a good work-life balance.
Work-life balance means not too much work, not too little life.
Exactly. Another phrase, I want a job that challenges me.
Challenges me means it pushes you to grow.
Now, let's add real conversation practice. Imagine you meet someone at a friend's birthday party. They ask, so, what do you do?
This is a common moment where learners freeze.
The trick is, answer now, then add a bridge to your dream job.
For example, right now, I work in customer service, but I'm hoping to move into marketing.
Or, I'm currently studying computer science, and my dream is to become a product designer.
Another bridge phrase, eventually I'd like to.
Eventually means in the longer future.
Eventually, I'd like to start my own cafe.
Great. Now, let's talk about how to ask the other person about their dream job. Because conversations are not interviews, they are back and forth.
Right. Questions you can ask: how about you? What about you? What kind of work do you enjoy?
What would you love to do if money wasn't an issue?
That question is fun, but a bit deep. Use it with friendly people.
Another good one. What do you like most about your job?
Perfect. Now, a big problem for learners. They know job titles in their language, but not in English.
If you don't know the exact title, describe it.
Exactly. You can say, I want to work with, I want to help, I want to build.
Example, I don't know the exact title, but I want to work with animals and help them feel safe.
Or, I want to design spaces that feel comfortable, like homes and offices.
Or, I want to help people with mental health, like stress and anxiety.
That one is sensitive, but it's real. Just keep it general.
And if someone asks, what do you call that job? You can say, I'm not sure of the exact English word, but...
That phrase saves you.
Now, Leo, can we do a personal example that feels real and modern? Like someone who is learning English and searching for direction.
Yes. Let's imagine a listener named Kai.
Kai is queer, creative, and wants a job that feels meaningful.
Kai might say, my dream job is to work in community building, creating events and spaces where people feel included.
That's beautiful. And then Kai can explain why. I want people to feel safe and welcomed because I know what it feels like to be an outsider.
That is a powerful reason.
And it doesn't require advanced vocabulary. Just honest words.
Exactly. Another example could be, I'd love to be a counselor or a coach. I like listening and helping people find clarity.
Now, let's talk about tone. When you talk about dreams, you want to sound hopeful, but not dramatic.
Yes. Keep it calm, confident, realistic.
Use phrases like, I'm excited about, I'm curious about, I'm motivated to.
I'm curious about is great if you're exploring.
Now, one more thing. Dream jobs often include fear. Fear of failure, fear of starting, fear of judgment.
True. And learners can talk about that too. It makes them human.
Phrases. I'm a little nervous because I sometimes doubt myself, but I know it's challenging, but...
Example. I know it's challenging to become a designer, but I'm practicing and learning every week.
That sentence is strong.
Now, let's give learners a simple dream job story they can practice with.
Okay, the story has 3 parts. Dream, reason, step.
Dream, my dream job is.
Reason. I want it because...
Step, right now I'm.
Let's do one sample. My dream job is to be a UX designer because I like solving problems and making things easier for people. Right now, I'm learning design basics and building small projects.
Perfect. Another sample. My dream job is to be a nurse because I want to help people when they're vulnerable. Right now, I'm studying and improving my communication skills.
Another. My dream job is to run a small bakery because I love creating cozy experiences. Right now, I'm practicing recipes and learning about business.
See? Simple, clear, real.
Now, let's talk about vocabulary that makes your dream job description sound more natural.
Words like goal, path, field, industry.
Field means the area of work, like the healthcare field, the tech field.
Industry is similar, often used for big areas like the film industry.
Another useful word, opportunity.
I'm looking for opportunities to learn.
Another, experience. I want to gain experience.
Gain means get.
Now, we should talk about one common interview-style question that shows up even outside interviews. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Learners hate that question.
But we can make it easy. You can say, in 5 years, I hope to,
Or, I'd like to be.
or, my goal is to.
Example. In 5 years, I hope to be working in a creative role, maybe in design or content.
Or, my goal is to have a stable job and keep improving my English.
Very real.
Now, let's give listeners a practice activity they can do alone, because practice is everything.
Yes. Here's the activity. Take your phone. Record yourself answering 3 questions.
Question 1. What's your dream job?
Question 2. Why do you want it?
Question 3. What are you doing right now to move toward it?
Keep each answer short, 20 seconds each. Then listen back.
On the next day, record again, but try to sound smoother.
You'll be shocked how fast you improve.
Also, write down 3 sentences and memorize them. Not a whole speech, just 3 sentences.
Dream, reason, step.
Exactly.
Before we end, I want to say something to learners who feel lost.
Yes.
It's okay if you don't have one dream job. Some people have a dream life, not a dream title.
Yes. And sometimes your dream job is simply a job that I don't hate.
That's honest.
You can say, right now, I'm exploring. I want work that fits me, and I'm learning what I enjoy.
That is a strong answer too.
Because it shows self-awareness.
Okay, quick recap.
Use simple starters. My dream job is, I'd love to. Ideally, I want to.
Add a reason. Helping people, creativity, freedom, learning, problem solving.
Describe the work with simple verbs. Help, build, create, teach, design, solve.
Share your next step. Studying, practicing, internships, projects, volunteering.
And remember, you don't need perfect English. You need clear English.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is building their future.
And write in the comments, what is your dream job and why?
This was English You Never Learned with Emma and Leo.
Until next time, keep speaking, keep learning, and keep moving one step closer.
Bye.